Hey there. In this video I'm showing how to record your screen with OBS Studio step by step. Go to the link description below and download the OBS Studio for free. You can download for Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux. So just download and install it on your computer. For me, I have readily installed it on my computer. So let me show you how you can record your screen. First, move on this side. Right-click on the scene. Then select Rename. Here you can enter any name that you would like to use for your project. Now once it's done, move on Source. Here click on this plus icon. You will find a lot of options that you can use with OBS Studio. But for this video I'm showing how to record your screen. So, click and select Display Capture. Here you can leave everything as it is and then select OK. You can leave all the settings as it is. Click on OK. Here you will see your computer screen. Move down here and then click on the settings. On this page, you can see some options dealing with this, but for this video let me click on Output so that I change some settings when recording. Click on Recording. Here under the recording path, click on Browse. Select the location where you would like to save your recording. After click on Select Folder. You can see the recording has changed to the desktop. Now click on Format. You can select the format as MP4. So, I think for beginners you can leave all other things as it is. Click on Apply. And then OK. After that click on Start Recording. Now go on doing all the things that you would like to record. Please don't forget to subscribe. And even leave a comment on this video. Now once you're done, click on Stop Recording. Now let me play the recorded video to see how it is. I will be making some other videos for this OBS Studio because it has a lot of features. So stay tuned. Until next time, have a nice time.